is both a joy and a privilege to stand before you as we inaugurate the JY Pillay Lecture Series, a tribute to a man who had been a pillar of integrity, wisdom, vision for Singapore. Let us remember that it stands as a living tribute to Mr. Pillay's values, his focus and the commitment to Singapore. Let us carry forward his legacy by continuing to ask the right questions.
We're not just individuals in a society wanting to be equal and free, but we have bonds with each other. And we have bonds with each other not just because it's important to preserve unity today, but because it helps take us forward. It helps us address the largest challenges we now face.
I want to take this opportunity also to express my deep gratitude to Mr. Pillay for agreeing for us to have this lecture series in his name. I'm sure that we will have much more interesting lectures to look forward to. Mr. Pillay remains a source of inspiration to many of us and also a role model.